we're gonna draw a drum roll panda. I have loads of pandas in my room. That's my favorite animal. First, I'll tell you. If you don't have a whiteboard and whiteboard pens, which we are usually drawing with, then you can use chalks, or you can just take a paper and a pencil, and a rubber will be useful. If you don't have a rubber for a whiteboard, then you can use a towel like this. It's better to use a wet one. Then it will be twice as clean as it was. Okay, let's start. We're getting our black. As we know, pandas are black and white. We draw a half oval, kind of fat oval. Then we draw the other side of the half oval. And draw 2 A's and 2 and like long kind of sausage, I think so. And the legs are also a little longer half type of sausage. Okay, I'll give you a tip. If you draw the top of it black, then you can't put the face. And also, if you don't have in the chalk like black, which you don't usually have, you can use like pink, blue, or purple, orange, green and yellow, or any other color that you have, and it will look perfect. You color your arms and legs, and then you color your ears of the panda. Then they usually have eyes. This one doesn't, but kind of. But they have really big eyes like that. So draw 2 ovals and a circle in them. Color around that circle. And don't color that circle itself. If the circle is too little, you can always get a paper towel, scrunch it a little bit. And then rub out a little bit. Sometimes it doesn't rub out because it's hard, but you can rub out a long bit and then change it out into a short bit. That one will make smaller as well, like that. Then you draw its mouth, like 2 semicircles like that, and one like that, and the middle is a little bit bigger. Make sure we rub it out neatly. Then you do the nose like that. Then the panda is stripy. We have to remember that. So we do stripes and color them. Let's make that stripe bigger because our head is big, so we need to make our stripes big. But the bottom stripes can be smaller because like they just go over to the edge Because pandas don't have stripes exactly the same. Some is 1 meter, some is 1 meter and 5 centimeters. It's never the same. Well done. But don't forget to put your name here if you want to. I believe that you will make a beautiful drawing and you can share with me. Take a photo of your drawings and post on any social media like YouTube, Facebook, or any other, or ask your parents to post it. Add the hashtag Join with Alisa. I'd love to see and comment all of your drawings. Thank you for joining. Bye.